Hello everyone, welcome to another time that we have with Academic and Research Consultancy. Alright, so in the previous video, we talked about exploratory research, and today we're moving on to the last type of research, which is predictive research. And as the name suggests, it comes from the word to predict, yeah? So this is concerned with forecasting, or in other words, predicting outcomes or consequences using present or historical data. So in this type of research, researchers can collect data presently and use it to interpret future outcomes, or they can use historical data in order to predict future outcomes. All right, so this type of research answers the question, how much or by how much? This is very much on point, and it is usually quantitative. Not all the time, but mostly quantitative, because we want to answer the question, by how much? Now, to give an example, a company can say, all right, if we invest 5 million kwacha into this department, how much profits are we going to get in a year or in 2 years? So as you can see, it's giving a very precise figure in order to guide the company in its decision making. Or if it's a farmer, yeah, if I invest 10 million kwacha in chicken farming in 1 year or in 2 years, how much am I going to get back in profits? So this is very, very targeted, very on point, and it's quantitative. Now, the applications of predictive research is forecasting outcomes. To forecast is to predict. If I do this, if I make this decision, what will happen? Yeah. It is also used in decision making. For instance, should we invest? A company can ask, or you as an individual, you can ask yourself, should I invest maybe 100,000 in chicken farming, or should I invest, and how much will I get? So those are the questions. These are the applications of predictive research. Another application is resource allocation. It gives you an idea how much of a certain type of resource should I allocate to this. Allocation also could be in terms of time. If I invest 5 hours every day in recording, let's say you're an artist, you sing. If I invest 5 hours of every day of my life into recording this video or album, how much am I expected to get in profits? All right, the other application is market analysis. If you're not sure about a product, you can ask yourself, all right, if I invest in product A or product X, how much am I going to get at the end? And also it helps in risk management, because remember, every investment has a risk. So if you have solid information in terms of figures and numbers, it will help to reduce risks. All right. So remember, the purpose of academic and research consultancy is not just to entertain you with videos, no, but our aim is also to make sure that we help you. We give you personalized help. So if you have academic work, if you're working on a research, or you have data and you don't know what to do, please do not hesitate to contact us. And also remember to share, to like, as well as watch our videos. All right, so thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.